How to link bank account to Binance account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can link a bank account to Binance account. For this, launch open the Binance app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Once you have opened the application, make sure to sign into your account. Now, in order to link your bank account to Binance account, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then from here, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now, you want to scroll down and get to payment methods option. Tap on that. Now, you want to tap on the payment methods option again, then tap on add a payment method. Now, you're going to find different options over here. From here, go ahead and select your preferred bank. Now, you will have to enter some of these details over here. The first thing you want to add here is full name, account number, beneficiary bank, then tap on the confirm option. Then you want to complete any verification steps, then confirm the detail and finalize linking your bank account. Depending on the region, this process may take few minutes to few days for verification. After your bank account is successfully linked, you can proceed to deposit funds from your bank account into your Binance account or withdraw funds from your Binance account to your bank account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.